first high school in the world to get this particular kind of star machine, which makes a really accurate night sky. So one of the coolest things about the class is we can show students what the night sky can look like very realistically.
It's getting closer and farther away. Let's reverse that. Let's watch that again.
There are deep sky objects, could be star clusters, they could be galaxies, they could be nebulas, and some of those you can see with your eyeballs. If you go outside with binoculars, you'll see a little more detail. Well, in here, you can also use binoculars to see more detail on some of the star clusters and nebulas.
Venus has been our evening star. It's going into the morning sky. You see Mercury, what it just did?
It took me probably 2 years to get really proficient at it, but we have a console that has 2 computers in it, and the one computer allows the console to talk to the star machine, and then the other computer is actually controlling the star machine. And then there are various buttons and levers and switches and dials that control and help simulate various observations we can make during the night sky. Initially, early on, we do longer observations with the star projector, where I teach students various constellations and bright stars and deep sky objects, show them where the planets are at. We teach students constellations like Orion, but what I hope they do is they go out and when they look up, they realize they're looking at stars that are hundreds of light years away. The light they see is hundreds of years old.
Mercury, you can see it because Mercury goes the fastest because it's the smallest orbit.
One of the things that drives the class, the way the curriculum is designed, current NASA missions and highlights of different missions. Like right now we're getting ready to conclude a mission. NASA's concluding a mission of the Cassini space probe that's orbiting Saturn.
Obviously we wouldn't see the stars, but that's the advantage of the planetarium. We can show you things you wouldn't normally see.
If you put a decent effort in, you'll learn a lot about the night sky. And hopefully you'll be able to connect that to the content of the course and be able to take that kind of knowledge with you the rest of your life. You may never take another astronomy course, but you can always enjoy the night sky.